Hello students. Now today chapter number 3 short sums and different types of sums we are doing. Now I am not wasting my time and reading the question. Today we are doing 3 questions, minimum 3 questions. Illustration number 15, illustration number 16 and illustration number 17. Minimum 3 questions we are doing today, and all 3 questions are different. So without wasting time, reading the question, full question. Illustration number 15, 6 pairs of father son are selected in a sample. It means 6 pairs are taken, means n is equal to 6. Of an experiment to know the relation between the height of father in centimeter and the height of their adult son in centimeter. So why we have taken sample of father and son? Because we need to understand relation between their heights, that is given clearly. The following results are obtained from it. From it, following results are obtained, and that result I have written here. Only one thing, 6 pairs are taken, so n is equal to 6. Remaining results are given in your textbook, that is sigma x, sigma y, sigma x minus 170 square, sigma y minus 165 square, sigma x minus 70, y minus 165. These values are given, and then after it is written obtain regression line y on x. Then after written verify reliability of model. Now I know this is the new question to all of you. This is the new question. Otherwise up to this level you can do some yourself. But still I am explaining you each and everything. Don't worry about it. Now all of you know formula, and first of all what I need, sir, I need y on x. So to find regression line y on x we need b and a. First we are finding b, then we are finding a. So first we need b, then we can find a, and on the basis of ab we can find regression line y on x. So starting with finding of b. Now sir, there are main 3 formulas which we have made on the basis of calculation method. From that, which formula we are using to find b? Think. Now what we need actually, see, sigma x, sigma y is given. So first of all, always find x bar and y bar. Now I am finding x bar and y bar here. So x bar is equal to sigma x divided by n. That we know very well. Now sigma x is 1020. So I am writing here 1020 divided by n is equal to 6. So divide by 6 is that. If you are dividing in calculator 1020 divided by 6, you will get 170. Same way, we are finding y bar also. So y bar is equal to sigma y divided by n. And sir, sigma y is 990. So 990 divide by 6, and our answer 165. So sir, one thing is clear, x bar is equal to 170 and y bar is equal to 165. Now see here, sir, x minus 170, is it x bar? Yes. It is x bar 170. It means it is x minus x bar square. I can write here it is x minus x bar square. Same way 165 is deducted here, so it is y minus y bar square. So yes, it is x minus x bar first, second is y minus y bar square is there. Now third one, here it is x minus x bar and y minus y bar is the simplest one, and I am confident all of you understood this thing, because in second chapter this is already discussed. Now sir, this is here, it's a x minus x bar, y minus y bar, x minus x bar, y minus y bar. Then we are using that formula, first formula of Carl Pierce, and finding value of b. So first of all, I am finding here b. Y depend on x. B, y depend on x. Now which is the formula? Numerator remains same. So write down numerator same. Sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar upon base is what? Y depend on x, means x is a base. So only write x values sigma x minus x bar whole square. Don't write root sign, simplest one. So this is the value of b. Now put the values of this sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar and sigma x minus x bar square. Sir, here x minus x bar y minus y bar is 45. So write down here 45. Sigma x minus x bar square. Sir, x minus x bar square is 60. So write down 60. And if you are dividing it in calculator, you will get 45 upon 60. Your answer will be 0.75. So this is 0.75. Now it's a value of b. It's a value of b. So first of all we need b, then after we need a also. So find a also. What is the value of a? How we can find? So a is equal to y bar minus b x bar. So y bar. What is the value of y bar? So y bar is equal to 165. So write down first of all 165 minus value of b. So b 0.75. So write down 0.75. Then after, sir, x bar. Value of x bar is 170. So write down 170. 165 minus. Now first multiply 0.75 into 170. So it in your calculator 0.75 into 170, 127.5. You will get 127.5, and deduction of this two, 165 minus 127.5, 37.5. So 37.5 is your value of a. Sir, now I have both the values b and a, and if we have both the values, we can find regression line y cap is equal to a plus bx. Now sir, replace the value of a is 37.5, so write down 37.5 plus b. Sir, b is 0.75, write down 0.75, and sir, x remain as it is. So y cap is equal to 37.5 plus 0.75 x. Now this is my regression line y on x, And first question is completed. Obtain regression line y on x. This is my regression line y on x. It is completed. Now sir, what is my second question? Verify reliability of model, regression model, this model. How much I can understand perfect value by this model? Whatever value I am getting, how I can believe on that value? How much I can believe on that particular answer? That we need to verify. So how it is possible? How we can verify it? And what we need to find by this question? Now, most IMP thing, whenever you are given this type of question, verify reliability of model, verify reliability of model, then you need to find R square and its other name, coefficient of determination. Its other name is coefficient of determination. So verify reliability of model means R square. If there is given find coefficient of determination, then also you need to find R square. And this is one marker question also. And most IMP thing is that. So verify reliability of model means R square. Coefficient of determination means also R square. Now sir, R square is what? Chapter number 2. In chapter number 2, what we were doing? Think. So finding R, make it square. Then it is R square, verify reliability of model. That's it. Now, here I am writing formula of R first. So we know R is equal to what? Sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar root sigma x minus x bar square second under root sigma y minus y bar square. But we don't need R. What we need? R square. So make square of this. Make square of this. Nothing else. Other values remain same. Now find. Sir, we know sigma x minus x bar y minus y bar is 45. Under root sigma x minus x bar square, so under root 60. Under root 105. And we need to find square of this. Now, if you are solving this answer, and I know you can do it in calculator very easily, you will get answer 0.32. You will get answer 0.32. Now, sir, 0.32. Yes. Verify reliability of model. Multiply this with 100. 32% I can rely on this model. I can believe only 32% on this y cap model. That is my answer. So whenever you need to find reliability of the model, reliability of regression model, then you have to find R square. If you are asking here in question, find coefficient of determination, then also you are finding R square. In both these situations, you are finding R square. And by R square, what we can know? Reliability of the function. Here 32% we can rely on the function. So less reliable, because less than 50% we can rely on this function. So it is not, we cannot believe on the answer, which can be found by this equation. Now my illustration number 15 is 100% completed. Now easiest questions, illustration number 16. Try to understood, please. If y cap is equal to 12 minus 1.5x, y cap is equal to, it means regression line is given. But what is given in your textbook? First of all, I am reading that thing. Illustration number 16. If the regression line of y on x is y cap is equal to 12 minus 1.5x and the mean of x is 6, find mean of y. That is my first question. Second question. If the regression line of y on x is y cap is equal to 11.5 plus 0.65x and y bar is equal to 18, find x bar. These two questions are included in illustration number 16, and I have written on that basis this thing. Y cap is equal to 12 minus 1.5x, mean of x means x bar, 6, find y bar. Second question, y cap is equal to this, y bar is equal to 18, find x bar. Now simplest one. Actually, this I have not discussed with you, but now I am telling to all of you. X bar and y bar. X bar and y bar are that type of points which are passing through this line always. X bar and y bar always passing through this line. Always. And that's why whenever we are placing value of x bar here, we can find value of y bar. Same way, if we are placing value of y bar here, we can find value of x bar, because both are passing from one line. And that's why we can find directly by using this equation. So see here, first of all writing y bar, y cap is equal to 12 minus 1.5 x, that is given. This is given in question. Now x bar is equal to 6. So I am placing, instead of x bar, in place of x, I am writing here 6. Again I am repeating. In place of x, I am writing 6 and getting value of y cap. And that is value of y bar. So 12 minus 1.5. So 1.5 into 6, you will get answer 9. And 12 minus 9, answer will be 3. And it is not y cap, it's a y bar itself. So y bar is equal to 3. Simple one. Short sum. Same way doing second sum. Again sir, here y cap is equal to given. Y cap is equal to 11.5 plus 0.65 x. This equation is given. Now for this, y bar is equal to 18 given. So at the place of y cap, I am writing 18 and getting the value of x, and that value is x bar. So 11.5 plus 0.65 x, and that is the value of x bar. So first of all, change the sign of 11.5. 18 minus 11.5. What is my answer? 6.5. 0.65 x bar as it is. Now 0.65 is in multiplication. We are changing its sides. Division. So divide by 0.65. 6.5 divide by 0.65 is equal to x bar, and you will get answer 65. You will get answer 10. So if you are dividing this two, your answer will be 10. So x bar is equal to 10. So in this way, illustration 16 also completed. Now we are going to illustration number 17. Now, again I am reading illustration number 17. In illustration number 17 also, there are two questions included. From that, I have taken only second one. So second one, what is given? If x bar is equal to 60, y bar is equal to 75, and sx square ratio covariance of xy is equal to 5:3. Obtain the regression line y on x and estimate y for x is equal to 65 from it. So this is given in question. So estimate y for x is equal to 65. So whenever x is equal to 65, find y is equal to what? That is my question. In illustration number 17, second question is given. On that basis, I have written x bar, y bar, ratio of this two is 5:3. Y on x we need to find. If x is equal to 65, find y is equal to what? So first of all, sir, again same situation. We need b. We need b. So what formula we are using? Which formula we are using? Sir, b yx is there. B y x is there. That we know. Now in this question, see, covariance is given. And for covariance, there is only one formula. Write down. Covariance of xy upon sx square. Sir, this was the formula in last lectures. Covariance of xy, numerator remains same, and in denominator there is no root. That's why I make square of that, sx square. This is the formula. But what is given here to us? Sir, here we are given this thing, ratio sx square divided by covariance of xy. So this is given, and is equal to answer also given, 5:3. Now actually what we need, sir, exact reverse of it, inverse of it. What we need? Exact inverse of it. Because here sx square upon covariance of xy given, but we need the covariance of xy upon sx square. Don't worry. Inverse it. Find 3/5. Then it becomes this value. So instead of, at the place of this formula, I am writing 3/5. And if you are finding in calculator 3/5, 6 5s are 30. So you will get 0.6. So value of B, sir, 0.6 is my value of B. Now find value of A. Now A. How we can find A? Sir, that is also easy. Don't worry about it. A is equal to y bar minus B x bar. Now replace the values. Sir, y bar is equal to 75 given. So write down 75. B we have already find 0.6. X bar, sir, x bar is equal to 60. Don't worry. So 75 minus 0.6 into 60, 36. 0.6 into 6, you will get answer 36. Now 75 minus 36, you will get 39. Y is equal to 39. A is equal to 39. So we have a value of A as well as we have a value of B also. Now, sir, we are finding y on x regression line, and that line we are finding here. Y cap is equal to A plus bx, value of A 39, B 0.6, x. So this is the value of y cap. It's a equation. Y cap is equal to 39 plus 0.6 x. Now, what is my question? If x is equal to 65, find value of y. So here, for x is equal to 65, so replace here 65. Y cap is equal to 39 plus 0.6 bracket 60. 39 plus 0.6 into 65. 0.6 into 65, you will get 39. And 39 plus 39. 40, 80, deduct 2. So 78. Y cap is equal to 78. In this way, you can solve short sums also. Now this all short sums are of different type. Some short sums of 3 marks, some short sums of 2 marks, and some can be asked in the 1 mark MCQ or VSQ. So today's lecture is very important for board examination, and even next lecture also very important for board examination. Bye bye. Meeting in next lecture with new concept.